Let's have a tour. We're going to take our time with this one. Happens to be a rainy day. It's a rare thing for LA. There's the dining area. Great for a table for four. Nice galley kitchen. Good stove. Gas. Hood. Clean. Good Whirlpool equipment. Nice tile. It is green. I think that was the clothing color last season. This is nice and interesting. Cabinetry here for a bar, possibly. Good dependable gas heat. Now here's the walkway or hallway. There's another gas heat and coat closet. Bedroom. Full bath. Nice light tile. And here we are on a cloudy day, and this is a nice bright space. All right. A little bit of space right and left of the sink for your razor and hair dryer. Good, nice floors. And one of the things most people don't appreciate is high ceilings sure do make a place feel good. This bedroom, the view is green. And out of these bedroom windows, you don't hear the freeway. Living room windows, you might hear the city rumble a little bit. But we are just south of the freeway. And there is a nice little balcony area here. It's small, but there is some. And again, this is apartment number E. And see, the ceiling's got the slope to it, which is kind of nice. See, there's normal ceiling height, and then it goes another few feet bigger, which is really a charming feature. Thanks for coming for the tour, and let me know what you think. If you'd like to get in and see it, give me a call.